my workout. Might be able to push it by hand from there. Yeah. All right. Yes, getting there. Like I said, most of that's garbage. Most of that is garbage. What's in them things there? There's plastic things in. They're garbage, so that I'm going to keep the can. Separating stuff in. I'm not sure why that can crinkled all up like it did. Probably because I had it piled in there so deep for so long. But I'll probably throw that away too. Looks like garbage to me. I got my air conditioners for Scrapping Scorpion and me. Maybe some motors. Maybe even some fan motors. Whatever we can do in a 6-hour day, we'll probably just knock out and do a what it pay. Get rid of some of these tires. I found a place I can get rid of them at, which helps me out a bunch. So yeah, that's for when Scrapping Scorpion gets here. And what do we got here? Got a bunch of TVs for Scrapping Scorpion, flat screens, tube TVs. This is for Scrapping Scorpion when he comes down. I got all these wires. I'm just giving them to him. All these tape players, whatever these cards are, and CD players, and TVs and VCRs, and computers. I think there's about 7 or 8 computers down there. I have him a box of zinc. This is zinc. I don't do a lot with it. A lot of telephone cables, more computer stuff down there, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. That's a pretty good size box right there. And I also have some stuff inside for him, so that's just a little sample of some of the stuff that I have for my buddy when he gets here. Them tires are his, some brand new tires you've seen, whatever's in that box. I got some pewter for you. These are pewter. Giving these pewter things to you, that, and we'll bring in some of this stuff, who knows. But I know we're going to do the air conditioners, and that's going to be fun. So guys, stick around. I got a video coming hopefully within the next 6 weeks or so. I'm going to have an operation soon, I know that, so maybe before that Greg or Scrapping Scorpion come down and we can get some stuff done. Looking forward to it. All right, guys. What's next? Scrapping with Grandpa.